Part 4 due to family error because I had to go do something real quick. So we're back. And we just got off what other part? Anything else off?
No.
Nothing else? Okay. But if you are just starting this video, then we already took off the front cover, the entire top. We already went through the main board, so if you want to rewind the video, you guys can go check that out and all this other stuff.
Okay, this is the blower.
Hey, where'd that huge door part go?
Out there.
Okay, there you go. Show that. That's the huge door part. 29 inches, standard's 27, I believe, right?
Yes.
Okay. Largest that they make, so that's good. Always good to have a good sized one. 29 inches is the same size as for both of them, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the washer right here is what we're going to be reviewing next is 29 inches as well. But it's basically the same thing except for one dries and one washes. So. And this one's got steam dry also. But actually no, this one's a sensor dry. This one's a steam indirect drive. Very nice though. Okay, and what are we taking off now?
The blower cover.
The blower cover, okay. Wow. See, this is kind of why we don't recommend taking this apart if you don't know what you're doing.
Okay, watch out, Allison.
My sister. Okay. Having a little issue? Need me help? Huge lint tray down there. That's the lint tray down there. See? Clean filter for use. And that was another faulty error by my sister. Yes. So as we were saying, continuing on with this video, we are taking still shots and we're still working on this blower cover. Trying to get a good angle. Sorry.
Okay, we'll do it a different way then.
Okay, now we're taking off the top part where the front board was, which is right there. We're taking that part off, correct?
We're not taking it off, we're just loosening it up.
Okay, loosening it up, guys. Because this is trying to be a documentary on how to, the most upright how to do this. So, yeah, we just took out the screws. Still working on it.
This is different. This is your front cowling.
Okay.
That's what we're going to take off.
Yeah, so we're taking off the front part right here.
This supports your blower cover.
Okay, supports the blower cover. That's always good.
The inner drum.
And the inner drum, which is the right in there.
Yes.
Okay. I hear you out now. And as you can tell, this is very big. So. It's not. God, taking it apart. Okay. So now we're getting this off. Okay, finally got that thing off. And
Okay.
look at the size
Move.
of that. Hold on, I gotta get kicked out of here real quick.
I'll take your...
Huge drum. Blower fan.
Okay.
Other stuff, wiring, I believe.
This is the sensor dryer. That's the sensor for the dryer.
There's the sensor for the dryer.
It's right here,
Yep. Those 2 metal bars.
basically.
Okay, got those under there. And these 2 wiring things, these connect to what? The front board?
This light, an LED light,
An LED light, okay.
and a door switch.
And a door switch. Which is what keeps it locked?
No, it keeps it to not run when the door's open.
Oh, okay.
Where you go? Well, where'd the camera go?
It's up there, right there. Okay, take some more still shots, guys. Okay. Here's a good look at what's inside this sensor dry.
That's not the sensor dry, it's just wording. It was an advertisement.
My mistake. It's the... What's it?
It's the drawer
Okay,
that holds
it's a drawer, it's a
the
drawer.
water
I got it.
for the steam.
So it's a... I'm just gonna stop talking about that. And now what are we doing?
We're just taking this off so we can take the inner drum out, or the drum out.
Okay, we're taking the drum out.
I'm just doing that to help hold it off of the drum. This is very fragile because it's very thin. So when I take this out, I'm going to just walk it out there. Okay?
I'm gonna kind of stay out of the way over here.
Yes.
So, yes, guys, this is very fragile. You don't really want to do this if you have any other options.
You don't want to collapse it. You can put weight on it this way, but not this way.
Yeah, because it will
Crush.
implode in itself. You want to be very careful with this, though. And it is hollowed out, so it's not a solid tube.
You're not going to, Trish.
Okay, I already see just what moving a refrigerator in the house has done.
Can't fit it out there. Okay, motor heater.
Water heater, got it.
Rollers.
What turns it?
No, it supports it. It doesn't turn it. The motor with a belt.
Okay.
That's what turns it.
Gotcha. And as you guys can see, it's kind of in like a...
Where'd the camera go?
It's, right here. Take some more pictures.